Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact display and graphics adapter you will change. This matters because the tool writes to driver settings. Once identified, make a quick backup of current profiles and close apps that lock the display. Then launch the resolution changer as administrator so it can modify system-level parameters. You do this now, it avoids permission errors later. When the interface appears, select the correct monitor and the preset list, because choosing the wrong device creates mismatched output. Now you adjust resolution, refresh rate, and scaling, paying attention to the native and maximum values supported by the monitor. Apply the change using the preview or test button so you get a short rollback window. This prevents a black or unreadable screen. If the preset doesn't match, create a custom mode and tweak horizontal/vertical timings carefully, because precise timing determines signal compatibility. Once settled, save the profile so you can instantly reapply later without repeating manual tweaks. To finish, save the working profile and assign a hotkey or desktop shortcut so you can toggle resolutions quickly. Make sure you test by switching back and forth. This confirms stability during normal use. If the screen goes blank or flickers, give the auto-revert time, then immediately revert and choose a lower resolution or different refresh rate. If problems persist, update graphics drivers and monitor firmware, because outdated firmware or drivers often cause incompatibility issues that simple settings cannot resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.